Hello dear students, how are you? Fine. Very good morning to everybody. In continuation of our parts, this is alkyl and aryl halide. So we will continue. This is our part. Having completed this is preparation of alkyl halide, starting from alkane, alkene, alcohol, carbonyl compound. Okay. In this lecture, we will see this is a reactions of here. Reaction of alkyl halide. Reaction of alkyl halide. So here the first reaction is from alkyl halide reaction with aqueous KOH. So that aqueous KOH is used for the substitution types of the reaction. So very important, we will see this very important reaction part of here. We are having, this is what alkyl halide. It is reacted with aqueous KOH, potassium hydroxide. So the part of the reaction is what? This is nothing but tertiary. This is tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary alkyl halide. So this is reacted with aqueous potassium hydroxide. So whatever here in formation of there was hydroxy group and here is what hydroxy group. So how we can write this is the 50% and this one is the 50%. Okay, we will explain it. This is for dextro and this is from leo. Relative configuration. Stereoisomer. This is the two parts. Geometrical and optical. In optical, we are having again two parts: absolute configuration and relative configurations. So here, formation of here 50% dextro, 50% leo product. It is nothing but a racemic mixture. So here in the rate, we can mention here rate is depend upon concentration of only one reactor. This is what, not this one. Okay, so we can write this is the rate is depend upon tertiary alkyl halide, only tertiary alkyl halide. So the rate is directly proportional to this tertiary alkyl halide. It may be tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, here, so that is we prepared here racemic mixture. So only what substitution reaction is takes place. Okay now, substitution reaction is takes place. And here we have to here mention this rate of reaction is depend upon only one reactor. So that when the rate is depend upon only one reactor, that's why the order of reaction is 1. So we have to mention here the types of the substitution reaction is what? There is a SN1 types of reaction and SN2 types of the reaction. Two reactions is there, SN1 and SN2. Nucleophilic substitution, uni. So that is nothing but a rate. This is what? Rate. So the rate is dependent upon only one reactor species. That's why the rate is what? 1. So the uni, it is nothing but unimolecular substitution reaction. Unimolecular substitution reaction is here. That is what? Unimolecular substitution reaction. So as a part here, why these two types of the product is formed? Okay, see, suppose if we are mentioned here the rate is we have to find out the rate is what? Order of the reaction is 1. This is depend upon one reactor species. So if we are going for the part of the mechanism. Okay, if we are having this is the starting reactor molecule what? Tertiary alkyl halide. Okay now, this is what? Tertiary alkyl halide. So this is what you can take bromine atom or chlorine atom. This is what, instead of X we can take bromine. So that's why tertiary butyl bromide here, tertiary butyl halide. So this is reacted with what, aqueous solid. One of the we are going to the part of mechanism. This bond is break by hydrolytically. Bond is break by hydrolytically. So this is the slow step which takes place. It is what, slow step which takes place. So this is what, formation of carbocation. This is the formation of carbocation, and we know that slow step is what, RDS. Takes place first step. This is the hydrolytically, bond is cleavage by carbon and halogen. Between the carbon halogen bond is break by hydrolytically. Carbocation generation. This is a carbocation. Carbocation. So how the carbocation? This is symmetrical. This is what, symmetrical carbocation. कौन सा कार्बोकेटायन? Symmetrical carbocation. That's why we are having. So what? We are having nucleophile is here. In the second step what? This is the second step, is start from here. We are having nucleophile OH. So the OH is coming from this KOH. This is what? Dissociation. It goes to formation of K positive and OH negative. Thus, this is a nucleophile and this is another electrophile. So that's why we have to the association. Dissociation is takes place. Dissociation of the KOH, formation of one electrophile or nucleophile. Here we have to addition in the second step of the nucleophile. So this is what, nucleophilic addition. So this is going to the fast reaction. This is going to the fast reaction. So in the reaction we use the polar protic solvent. Polar protic solvent. यहाँ पे हम polar protic solvent यूज करते हैं रिएक्शन में. Polar protic solvent कौन सा है? वाटर. Again what? C2H5OH. ये याद रखना है. Solvent, polar protic solvent are used in SN1 types of the reaction. SN2 में polar अप्रोटिक यूज करते हैं, DCl, DMSO. लेकिन यहाँ पे polar protic solvent are used. So what happened here? This is the most favorable for this carbocation, whenever generation of the tertiary carbocation. Okay. So it is the most important phenomenon. This secondary and tertiary, and this one is primary. This tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary and primary for the SN1 types of the reaction. So, but in this case, the generation of the carbocation, symmetrical carbocation, so the nucleophile is coming from front side. Whenever the nucleophilic attack on the front side, it is known as what? Retention configuration. इसको कहते हैं retention configuration. Configuration. What is the name? Retention configuration. Whenever it is attack on the back side, so this is what? Back side attack. This back side attack is known as inversion. What is the name? Inversion. Retention configuration and inversion configuration takes place. न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक करेगा तो सामने से भी करेगा, पीछे से मतलब बैक साइड से भी करेगा. जब क्यों करेगा? बिकॉज़ ऑफ दिस इज अ सिमेट्रिकल कार्बोकेटायन जनरेट. यहाँ पे सिमेट्रिकल कार्बोकेटायन जनरेट हुआ, इसीलिए न्यूक्लियोफाइल आगे से भी और पीछे से भी दोनों साइड से अटैक करेगा. जब फ्रंट साइड से अटैक करेगा तो हमारा ये मिलेगा 50% और बैक साइड से अटैक करेगा तो प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा ये 50%. So what happened? This dextro and this one LiO is formed. Okay. So this is the racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. So what is the racemic mixture? An equimolar mixture of dextro and LiO. LaEVO. LaEVO. LiO. Dextro. So that is nothing but racemic mixture. Why it is formed? The retention 50% and inversion 50% of nucleophilic attack. This formation of the racemization. So here this is a dextro-LiO formation, racemization is there. So what? According to कितना है 2। ऑर्डर हमने रेट से फाइंड आउट किया और स्टेप हमने मैकेनिज्म से फाइंड आउट किया। सो व्हाट इट एंड हियर इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट इज दैट दिस इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ कार्बोकेटायन। टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटायन मोर स्टेबल than secondary and primary कार्बोकेटायन। So here in the next figure comes the types of the reaction are energy profile diagram. So what is the energy profile diagram for the assessment types of the reaction? We are having this is what this energy is here and this is what reaction coordinate. This is what reaction progress or reaction coordinate progress. So what happened here? We are having this is the reactant. This is the one step and this is the second step. Here the product is formed. Product. This is reactant. So what happened here? We are having this is the two step of reaction. So that's why the transition state is what? Two transition state. Two transition state. Transition states first. Transition state second. So what is here? This reactant to product. So the energy difference between reactant to transition state delta E. Change in energy reactant and transition state. तो यहाँ पे डेल्टा E कितना होगा? So that is the delta E is what delta E1 and delta E2. There is delta E change in energy is 2. The energy difference between reactant and transition state. Energy difference. Energy का difference. Energy difference between reactant and transition state is known as change in energy. So the reactant, this is nothing but we have to mention here. This is what change in energy, but the reactant, the difference between energy difference between what? Energy difference between reactant and product. The energy difference between reactant and product, energy difference between reactant and product is known as change in enthalpy. Change in enthalpy. So that AQI is nothing but energy profile diagram. Energy profile diagram. EPD. Energy profile diagram is for the graph is plotted. The graph is plotted. Energy versus reaction progress or reaction coordinate. You can say reaction coordinate, reaction progress or reaction coordinate is known as energy profile diagram. So this is the energy profile diagram for the SN1 types of the reaction. So we will overlook of these types of the reaction. What this is most important phenomenon. This is the SN1 types of the reaction is what we have to mention. The point wise is what this is a unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. Why? Because the rate of the reaction rate is depend on only reactant के ऊपर rate depend होता है. That is tertiary alkyl halide और secondary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide or secondary alkyl halide. So the next one is it is what order is. It is nothing but order. And we can say this is order is what 1. So step is what 2 steps. 2 steps of the reaction. Why? Because of this is nothing but depending upon the mechanism. In mechanism 2 steps. According to the mechanism. So solvent. It is used polar protic solvent. That is what water molecule C2H5OH ethanol. Okay, next one is what that is nothing but we are having the SN1 types of the reaction. Carbocation. That is what carbocation. Stability of carbocation order. So what is the stability of carbocation order? This is nothing but tertiary. उसके बाद secondary and this one is primary carbocation. This is the order of the stability of carbocation. So the next one is what? Next one is what? Then what? Retention plus configuration. Again, retention भी होता है, प्लस इन्वर्जन भी होता है ना? रिटेंशन प्लस इन्वर्जन, that is nothing but rationalization. What is that? Rationalization. यहाँ पे rationalization होता है, क्या होता है? Rationalization होता है. So that is the rationalization it takes place. Rationalization is takes place. Retention configuration as well as inversion configuration. Rationalization is takes place. So whatever equipolar picture is formed, again we have to, next point is that energy profile diagram, two transition state. This is on depending upon what, which are mentioned on what, energy profile diagram. Energy profile diagram, that is what, EPD. So this is what we have to mention. This is SN1 type of the reaction. Unimolecular two-step reaction. First step is slow step, which is known as rate determining step. Second step is fast step because of formation of the carbonate, and the nucleophilic, which is easily attacked, and fast attack carry out, and the formation of this is a product, tertiary alcohol or secondary alcohol. So this is solvent used, polar product solvent used, carbonate orders. This is tertiary, secondary, and primary. So this is never takes fast. This is the primary alkyl halide never takes place in the SN1 type of the reaction. Only tertiary and secondary. So here some point again, the retention and inversion both are possible, and two transition states is there. Some of the example most important. This is for, you can take some application is there. Aqueous KOH, water. This is first reaction. इसके कुछ application हमको लेना है for the SN1 type of the reaction. See here. The second reaction we have to here bromine atom. So this is again the SN1 types of the reaction. Aqueous KOH. You can take this C2H5OH. You have to mention here ETOH, ethanol. Okay. So the third we have to mention allyl halide. This is nothing but allyl chloride. You can take aqueous KOH, potassium hydroxide, and how to use it. This is the C2H5OH polar solvent heat. So this is what we have to mention. This is the OH plus, again this is the OH. So 50% this one and 50% this one. So again here formation of such type of the product is there. Okay, this is what OH. Okay, so this is what again we have to mention here. This generation of such type of the carbon positive. So due to this this is the types of the carbon is what, SN1 types of the reaction. What is that? SN1 types of reaction. Okay, here the formation of SN1 types of the reaction. We have to write it directly here, tertiary alcohol here. Okay, this is what. So this is what we mentioned. This is the Dextro plus you also here. So these are the some application of SN1 types of the reaction. Okay. So what is the SN2 reaction? SN2 is what? Two order bimolecular reaction, two order, one step reaction. Primary alkyl halide is most important there. Primary order of carbon, primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay. So the primary carbon is most stable. Primary alkyl halide is the most favorable form. Most favorable. Primary alkyl halide and secondary alkyl halide. So the primary alkyl halide is most favorable for SN2 types of the reaction. Polar aprotic solvent is there, DCM, DMSO, DC. Okay. So again what, only one transition state is formed. But in the SN2 types of the reaction, this is the there is a takes place inversion configuration. Okay. Because of the bulkier group is from front side, that's why nucleophile is attacked on the back side. So that is nothing but retention inversion configuration and concerted reaction. So what do you mean by concerted? Simultaneously bond breaking and making is takes place here. Bond breaking, bond making. That is nothing but Walden inversion is takes place. Walden inversion. that is takes place in water SN2 types of the reaction. Okay, we will see discuss in this SN2 types of reaction, and I hope such types of the this is the SN1 types of the reaction, unimolecular substitution reaction. I hope you should clearly understand. We discuss. Okay, goodbye.